Hello everybody, today we gotta make a chicken lasagna. The spinach I sauté with a little garlic and oil. Now the lasagna was boiled already, and when you boil I put salt and 1 drop of the oil, a little bit like this in no stick. And this is the ricotta, I put on this bowl. Okay, look how beautiful it come out, thank you so much. Now we got a mozzarella. And we put some mozzarella inside and we gotta mix all together. Okay, a little bit more. We got a Grana Padano cheese. You can use any kind of the cheese you want. Okay, the cheese, you got enough. And now we gotta put a little black pepper. And we need little salt. Okay, it's enough. We gotta put 1 egg. Okay, now we do the mix. Make sure the mix is really good. They got the eggs, you gotta go every place. And the cheese, everything. Okay, look how beautiful mix now, okay? Look, beautiful. And now you put this on the side. Okay, now this is the chicken. This I was buy. This is a rotisserie chicken. But you want to make it yourself, it's okay, it's good. But I was buy like this, it's everything done. Now, for start, I want to take the wings out. Now I gotta use my hand, okay? I take the wings out. And we take the skin out. Okay, now look the legs. You pick it up, boom. And after the meat, what you do? You do like this. Cause this you gotta go for the lasagna. Look there, look. Make sure to not get no bones inside over there. Cause when you eat the lasagna, you don't want to find no bones. Now I gotta finish all the chicken. And once in a while, when you cook, you taste it. It's really good. Now we do the béchamel sauce. And we need the butter. And we melt the butter. Making sure the butter melt really, really good before we start with the flour. Okay, the butter is all melt. It's look good. And now the flour. When I use the flour, I'm not put everything at one time. A little bit at a time, like you make a polenta. And make sure the flame, okay, you don't want to burn the flour, because the bechamel got to be nice white. Now we got the milk. Okay. Okay, now you see a nice, beautiful look. And we gotta put more milk. And boil a little bit at a time. Don't leave it boil too much. For the lasagna, the bechamel is not gotta be really thick. Okay? Because after, when you put it in the oven, you cook more. And with the pasta, you need a little liquid. Okay, nice, see? Now we put a little black pepper. And we need salt. That's it. And we give a nice mix now. And this you gotta cook now a little while, but look like this is boil. Cause like I said before, the bechamel is not gotta be too thick. And let me see over here. You know why? We use the milk, cause this after you gotta cook. Okay, it was go 4 cup milk. Now the bechamel is done, and we put a little bit on the bottle over here. Okay, now we cover all the bechamel and the barley over here. And the lasagna, we start this way. Look how beautiful. 1, 2. Look at that. Just right. Now we pour the bechamel on the top. Make sure that pour all over the place for the lasagna, okay? Now I did it with the bechamel. Now we do with the ricotta. You see, in English it's ricotta. In Italy, our sare si call ricotta. Ricotta. Okay, we put cheese, shredded cheese. And mozzarella. Now we put the spinach. And the spinach, it gotta go every place. Okay, the spinach I gotta do on this layer. After I gotta do another layer with the spinach. Okay, now we put the chicken rotisserie. Oh, I speak a good English. Okay, now make sure we do a little piece like that. Okay, now the first layer it's done. Now I gotta do the second layer, the same thing like I did the first layer. Okay, now this is the last layer we pour. Look at that, this is the last one. We pack a little bit. Okay. Okay, now this is the top, the bechamel go. It's it. Now we gotta cover really good all the lasagna. Okay, now this is done. And now you gotta go in the oven. In the oven you gotta go for half hour. I want to cover it with aluminum paper for half hour. Okay. Good. Half hour, 400 degrees. After we take it out, and we gotta put the mozzarella on the top for 10 more minutes. It was 30 minutes, but I got the aluminum paper on the top, and now I want to take it out. And we put it back in the oven. It looks beautiful, but I need a little color. All right. 10 minutes, we take out and we put the mozzarella on top. Now this was 10 minutes. Now it's the time of the mozzarella. Okay, we gotta put 10 more minutes for the mozzarella. It looks really good. Now we put the Grana Padano cheese. And now you gotta stay for 10 minutes. All right, it looks really delicious. If I want to get a nice piece, a nice glass of wine, and like this, you can drink the little wine, a little dance. Now this is done, but I want to leave it relax a little bit. I got the cheese, everything is firm, nice firm. After one week quarter, I want to take a nice piece, and I want to take. I'm so hungry, and I don't want to wait no more. Okay, now watch Pasquale, got this, it's really hot. The chicken, it's really good. Everything is delicious. I hope everybody try and let me know, because this it's really delicious. Salute, cin cin everybody. A saluto!